like this like natural like vibe, those structures. Okay, 7017. 7017. So I think I could compare with the High Line in New York. So they're gonna just reconstruct that with the highway, as far as I know. So they just made it like this very trendy and natural vibe of the the routes, the sidewalks. So this is, I think this is kind of like different vibe of the Cheonggyecheon sidewalk right here. So you can also like chill in here and take a lot of selfies. Pretty good combination with the concrete and the nature, I think. Now I can hear some piano sounds. 뒤에 조심하세요. 안녕. Piano sounds. I think just random people can just playing right here. Soulful stage. Cool. I think I really just like those places because everyone can be the performer in this like open stage, open park. So yeah, I think like that kind of like stage makes the people, just normal people, makes it special. I think that is the greatest part of the national park things. Oh, look at that! I'm pretty sure he's not a like professional performer, but so you can just guess like this. Oh, what is his actual job like that? But everyone just don't think about it and they just focus on his performing, his playing. Look at this! It's a pretty tiny bunch of flowers. 만지면 안 되겠구나. I should not touch that. And there's like more trees than right here, and those trees are all different. And like those concepts are also amazing. And I didn't know that Seoul has like those places. It's really cool. This is the one of the places that I totally recommend to visit. Yeah, you can't miss this one. You should visit like in this like nice weather. I don't know, this is so weird. You're just still in the middle of the city and surrounded by a lot of concrete of those buildings, but you feel very peaceful. I don't know why, it's so weird. I think this place makes the feels like more peaceful and being rest. There's another piano.